In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay for event tickets using Afterpay. If you want to spread the cost of your tickets over time instead of paying the full amount upfront, this is a simple option to use during checkout. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you know exactly what to expect from start to finish. First, add the event tickets you want to purchase to your cart, and then proceed to checkout. Before moving on, take a moment to review your selection carefully. Make sure the event, date, seating option, and ticket quantity are all correct. Since ticket purchases are often time sensitive, it's a good idea to double check everything now so you can avoid delays once you reach the payment stage. When you arrive at the payment page, look through the available payment methods and select Afterpay. This tells the checkout system that you want to use Afterpay to split your purchase into installments. Depending on the website or app you're using, the Afterpay option may appear alongside standard choices like card payments or digital wallets. Just tap or click it to continue. Next, you'll be prompted to log into your Afterpay account. If you already have one, simply enter your details and follow the sign-in prompts. If you don't have an account yet, you can usually set one up right there during checkout. The setup process is designed to be quick, so you can continue with your purchase without having to leave the page. Make sure the information you enter is accurate, as this helps avoid any issues with approval or payment scheduling. Once you're signed in, Afterpay will show you the payment breakdown for your order. This is where you'll review the 4 interest-free payments before completing the purchase. Take a moment to read the schedule so you understand when each payment will be charged and how much each installment will be. This step is important because it gives you a clear picture of your payment plan before you confirm anything. Finally, confirm the 4-payment schedule to complete your purchase. After that, your order will be processed and your tickets should be secured based on the platform's normal confirmation process. Be sure to watch for any confirmation message, receipt, or email so you know the transaction went through successfully. And that's it. By adding your tickets to the cart, choosing Afterpay at checkout, signing in or creating your account, and confirming the interest-free payment plan, you can complete your ticket purchase in just a few simple steps.